Welcome to everybody today to Small Engine Repair Parrot. I want to say, my friends, I'm back today. I want to tell everybody, I know my English has a heavy accent, but if I talk slow, you probably will understand. The reason I start uploading videos in English is because English is a universal language. Everybody will speak English. Well, now I got a video for you. I'm talking about how to test your transmission and your self-propelled lawnmower. Do I need adjustment or do I need a new belt for my transmission? Well, this is the test that you can do. Are you ready for it? Let's go and do it, my friend. All right, this is a self-propelled push lawnmower. We are talking about, there's a Troy Bill TV230, and I'm going to use this one to show people, or do I need adjustment, or I had to replace my transmission belt. The first thing you have to look is, where is my transmission located? Where is my transmission? Where is up? Front or backwards? Well, here my transmission is at the front, so what I had to do, I had to crank it up, I had to engage my transmission and lift it out the area where I don't have a transmission power. That means I got transmission power at the front. I will lift it out my push lawnmower from the rear, put all the way here, and my tires, they have to slick on the concrete or they have to slick on the grass. If they don't slip on the concrete or in the grass, that means all I need is adjustment. But if they have enough power to slip on the concrete or on the grass, that is telling me that I don't need to put a new belt. But if they do have the power to slip on the concrete, that means it needs a new belt on my transmission. Let's see what it needs. Let's see what it needs. Are you ready for it? Excuse me, this is my second video in English. You got to understand that English is not my first language. I just trying to help everybody around the world. Let's go and check it out. Are you ready for it? All right, are you serious? Let me find a different angle because the sun is against it. All I hear, what I'm trying to do, I crank it out and I'm going to see what the tires are doing on the concrete or in the grass. If the tires slip on the grass, on the concrete, they have enough power to turn even on the concrete, on the grass. That means I don't need transmission belt. All I needed was adjustment. Let's go to see what it does. Okay, don't need no transmission belt. That transmission is fine. Let's go test it out on the grass now. All right, let's go and see if the tires, they have enough power to turn on the grass when I engage that transmission. Ready? Okay, but that's not the point. They have enough power to go on the grass and move. It has enough power to go on top of the hill. But that has enough power when you really are cutting the grass and the grass is a little bit tall, this is why you have to do this test. I'm going to lift it up, the push lawnmower from the rear, and put all the way at the front where the transmission is. And if the tires slip, if the tires do that, that means all it needed was an adjustment. Ready for? Okay, as simple as that. You don't need no transmission belt and to pay the high money repair for that. All you needed was a little bit adjustment. Some have adjustment, some don't. Depends the kind or the model that they are. Well, hopefully this video will help you. I will start uploading videos in English. I have been doing for 3 years already in Spanish. I have 100,000 followers. I am about to receive my YouTube plate and put it on my wall. And I got people from all South America and Spain that they follow me from Monday to Friday and Saturday. Each video that I load every day, they are right there. I can get about 1,000 hits in one day. This is new what I'm doing in English. I'm trying to help people from all around the world. Let's see what happens. Give me a like. Give me one like. Subscribe. Share my videos and keep the bell on. And remember after all that Jesus Christ is Lord. See you to next one. Bye.